Just north of Spring Street sits Main Street, a one-block boulevard known mostly as the site of Marquette's old passenger train station. While the north side of the street is now mostly a city parking lot, there was a business that called that land home for almost 80 years, the Marquette Steam Laundry. Started in the 1880s by brothers Fred and Frank Needham, it grew into one of Marquette's bigger businesses by the 1920s, serving not only residential customers but industrial clients as well. Hotels, manufacturing companies, and even local jails would send their work clothes and bedding out to the Marquette Steam Laundry to get cleaned. The company employed a fleet of trucks and drivers to pick up dirty clothes and linens and bring them back to their owners clean. During its peak years, the laundry was one of downtown Marquette's biggest employers with over 40 individuals on its payroll. However, the post-World War II rise in devices like home washing machines cut into the steam laundry's business, and it closed in 1960. The building was then torn down, replaced by a bowling alley, which itself was demolished in the early 1990s, leaving the space for what is now called the Main Street parking lot. Just a few feet away from where the Marquette Steam Laundry once sat was one of Marquette's most unique old buildings. In the 1920s, the Marquette Light and Power Department built a small, narrow structure right in the middle of the 100 block of East Main Street to replace a storefront office they had had up the street on Front. When the Marquette Chamber of Commerce was founded in 1930, they purchased that building, which they used as their office for the next 3 decades. From there, they provided information to tourists, bathrooms to the public, and even a credit reporting bureau in the back of the office. In the late 1950s, they outgrew that structure and moved to new offices in Lakeside Park. The building in the middle of the street was then torn down to allow for parking spots to be painted in on either side of that street.